Hello, and thanks for joining me today. This is Seven from Sunshine Bakery Packaging. I'm super excited to show you an awesome set of the transparent cables. The cables can protect your cake from damage during the transportation and play a great role. Okay, this cable consists of three parts. The first part is the cupcake base, the cake base, and the two part is the transparent body with a few cover the body. It's a truth layer. And the third part is the cover lid. Okay, let the camera focus on the absolute proceed. Put on the base and cover the lid. Okay, this is completely. Thank you.